Welcome! In front of me I have Lenovo Watch R1 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Lenovo Sports application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and here you should see your Lenovo R1. Now tap on remove, right here, tap on remove, and the watch will disappear from the devices page. We can close the app. We can also check the Bluetooth settings on our phone if the watch is here, and it's not, so we can close the settings. And if you go to your watch and swipe right on the home screen, it will open this page, and usually if your watch is connected with a phone you will see Bluetooth icon here, but it's gone, which means that the watch is not connected with a phone anymore. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.